Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I'll be showing you my insane strategy that I've been using for the past few months, and actually guys, this strategy has proven to be one of my best strategy, and it's very profitable if you know how to use it, okay? And the strategy I'm talking about is called the ORB strategy, and I only use the ORB strategy because I'm a scalper, and the breakout strategy, okay? If you combine the two, a deadly combo, okay? So let's go to the charts and I'll show you what we are talking about. So guys, the ORB strategy, or the orb, is called the opening range breakout. What you want to do is wait for the market to open. When the, for example, I only trade the New York session. The New York session here in my area, it usually opens at around 17:30 to 17:45. That is my range, my 15-minute range. So once the 15-minute range has been opened, I'll wait for the market to either break above the range or break below the range, or sometimes what the market likes to do, use the high and the low of the range as support and resistance, okay? So quickly I'll show you how this thing goes. In the chart you can see this is the range. Actually you'll go to indicators tab and just search the opening range with breakouts and targets by Lax Algo, okay? On the settings area, make sure you put the 15 minutes and make sure the time is your local time that you use. Mine is UTC +3. And here you'll come to, for example, here in my area, markets open at 17:30, okay? And my 15-minute range usually end at around 17:45, basically 15 minutes from open, okay? Once that is set, let's see, where are they? Okay. God. Yeah, so what basically happens, once you have set up your indicator, this is how it looks like, okay? So you'll go to the 15 minutes. Let's just choose one, maybe the recent one, okay? This was the 15-minute candle, this one, okay? And what basically you're going to do, you're going to mark the low of that 15-minute candle and the high of that 15-minute candle, and then you're going to wait for a candle either to close below or above the range, so that you can either take your buy or you can either take your sell, okay? And what I like to do, once the 15-minute range has formed, what I like to do for you to capture insane moves, and you're scalpers, there's no point of staying in the market, I don't know for how long. What you're gonna do, once the 15-minute range has opened, go down to the either 15-minute or the 1 minute. Personally, I like the 1 minute because you'll catch a lot of pips, okay? So let me show you guys. Let's see, let's go back. Yeah, here we are, okay? So what I like to do, guys, is just wait for a candle to close in the 1 minute chart, okay? And what you can see here, let me just use this one, is that this candle closed below the range, and I'll be interested in looking for sales. And remember, you're a scalper, so what I like to do, go in and go out as fast as possible, okay? And your stop loss should be above that momentum candle that has broken the range, okay? And an added source, guys, make sure that the candle that breaks the range, make sure it has momentum, okay? I'll not like to enter a sell position if it's just a small candle, okay? Because I'll be like, there's no momentum there. I like to see momentum and jump on the momentum, okay? For example, here I'll see this candle breaking this range and it has momentum, I'll immediately go short at this area, put my stop loss there, target my 1 to 2, all right, there, and voila, and I'm out. Okay, and guys, another source, what you like to do is that make sure as you're doing so, you are trailing your stop loss. Okay, once price has gone a significant amount of pips, let's say like 1:1, I like to move my stop loss to break even. Okay, and make sure your take profit is set at 1 to 2. Okay, because what price likes to do, don't be greedy, what price likes to do, hits your 1 to 2 and then reverse like here. Okay, so like make sure you trail your stop loss, because your scalpers, you go in and go out as fast as possible. So that is the strategy that I've been using. And let's backtest this thing. Let's go a few, let me see, I hope my camera is good. Let's backtest this thing. Let me just remove all the drawings that I've put. Let's go to the 15 minutes. No, the 5 minutes is okay. Guys, here you would have capitalized just this move. You see, when price broke the range, sell off. When price broke the range, guys, I'm telling you, if you're a good scalper, you see this, just this candle here will have given you this like 10 points or something. Okay, this will have given you some sauce. Maybe you could have gone break even. But mark you guys, sometimes price likes to use the opening range high or lows as support. Okay, it likes to use the opening range sometimes as support and sometimes as resistance, guys. Okay, so make sure you watch for that. So basically, guys, I'll be updating you on all this. Sometimes it will give you insane breakouts and you'll capitalize, like in this case. Okay, somebody would have entered there and put stop loss below the momentum candle, and you'll have gotten your bread. You would have gotten your bread. Okay, also this point here, you will have put your stop loss there. No, what am I, god, buy there, then stops below the momentum candle, and voila. See what I'm talking about? The same case here.